This is the before.
You don't really know what we don't know what we're building.
And this is an alarm clock.
Oh my god, the teacher dog is on!
No way!
Oh my god!
that was actually a good-
really good. Hi, I'm Ginny,
And I'm Terry.
and we're the creators of Odd Pieces.
Odd Pieces is a new kind of puzzle that blends elements from comic books, treasure hunts, and gaming to tell a rich, immersive story, full of surprises and hidden details.
We've created 3 unique imaginative worlds brought to life by independent artists from around the globe. Each world filled with mysteries, surprises, and their own secret endings for you to uncover.
Each puzzle was crafted using the principles of Vimeo Builder, the same art style you've seen in Where's Waldo and Richard's Scary Books, so every world is filled with hundreds of micro stories that come to life as you play.
But that's just the beginning. The real story starts when you open the box. A comic introduces you to the characters and their world, and a treasure hunt guides you to the hundreds of hidden clues. With every piece you put together, you'll find out more and more of the story, until you realize that the world before has changed completely. And when you put the final pieces together, there's a plot twist.
Ooh, secret ending.
That's actually so cute!
Nice. Boom.
Every 1,000-piece puzzle is built on high-density, thick blueboard material with bright, vivid colors and 9600 DPI that brings the artwork to life. Interlocking pieces snap into place with that satisfying click. By using a unique custom mode, we'd made sure that every piece showcases a microstory or a hidden detail in one of these amazing imaginative worlds.
We want Odd Pieces to be more meaningful than just a puzzle or a game. When getting to know our artists, we realized that the road to creating art full-time was not always easy. So that's why a percentage of our profits will be used to support undiscovered artists, not only for our storytelling puzzle, but to encourage them to continue following their dreams.
Okay, so.
Buena suerte y espero que lo disfruten.
Chúc may mắn khi mà chơi và cảm thấy vui khi mà chơi game.
We've had so much fun building this piece by piece, from crazy idea to concept to finished prototype. We've already partnered with a world-class puzzle manufacturer.
And now, we just need your help to fill in that final piece and bring it to life. We can't wait for you to see what happens next.
From the critically acclaimed Potato Pirates series, globally recognized as one of the best STEM computer science educational games, comes Potato Pirates Battlechips, an all-new strategic board game packed with computer science concepts like loops, conditionals, switch, try-catch, throw, break, recursion, cybersecurity concepts, and more! Now let's check in with our focus group and see how they're doing!
It's so unfair. I'm a whole comeback setup. I didn't expect them to go and attack me like that. I had my while loop set up to energize and carbonize. But Q went to hack me, and Surya jump-started when I was supposed to go first. Why did he gang up on me? I'm so nice to everyone here.
Wait, you? I'm not nice. No, you stole my cookie last week and you still didn't give it back. Come on, man.
I was ready for Tammy's throw. I had my try-catch set up and ready to go. I was waiting for someone to bite. Victory is mine. It's time to finish this. Let's do this.
So why did I attack Tammy? I couldn't help it. I needed more energy, and she had the most. I just had to do it. But of course, it's also because this guy helped me. No idea who the guy is, but he came with the game.
Yo, Tammy, did you buy something?
No, I thought you did.
No. Battlechips.
Potato Pirates Battlechips! Launching on Kickstarter 21st June.
Who are you?
Potato Pirates.
What? Potato Pirates. How'd you get in the box?
Ignore him. Look at these boards.
Yo, they look kinda nice though.
That's because they're Kickstarter exclusive.
That's right, a Kickstarter exclusive version for all you loyal buds out there, with sleek playboards, exclusive box, artwork, and components. Also, check out these awesome cards. Aren't they beautiful? Cause they're chips, you know, cause potatoes and computers. Chips, get it? Potato Pirates, Battlechips, also introduces exciting new characters like the Great White Spud and Parrot the Carrot.
Wait, no, it's not Parrot the Carrot, it's Carrot the Parrot.
No, it's Parrot the Carrot. He's a carrot whose name is Parrot. He just happens to fly around and look exactly like a parrot. It's just a coincidence.
That makes no sense, voiceover guy, and that's exactly my point. He looks exactly like a parrot.
He's a carrot!
No, he's a
These people had no idea what's coming for them. I just played Upgrade and Dig to get more cards. I had so much energy that I bought the Kraken and the Great White Spud. When I knew I was ready, bam! I was going all guns blazing. I knew they were going to try and stop me during the power phase, so I denied them.
I always get denied. It's so annoying. I was so close to winning, okay? I already got the Art of Potato War from SPUD-TECH. And the description key was right there! Right there! I had enough energy to buy it. All I had to do was survive, okay? I saw the loops on Nisha's ship. Didn't take, I just had to add 2 and 2 together. I knew what was gonna happen. She was gonna come for me. Who else was she gonna come for? Okay? Okay? I've been on her ass all day. You know, playing break and denying everything. I knew it was gonna happen. Couldn't stop it though. But I managed to play Switch. I mean, nobody else played Switch that round. I got the money. That felt great. It's a sweet victory. Still wish I could have won though.
Potato Pirates Battlechips, out now on Kickstarter. Back us today, or off to Gravy Jones's locker with ye. What are you still doing here? No end credit scene for ya. This ain't no superhero movie. Back us on Kickstarter today. Seriously.
It's gonna be an interesting year.
Aye, I can't wait to see how much gold we'll make in the first market. And in the second market.
And this year, there's more. There's going to be a spring festival where we'll meet lots of new people.
Then in summer, someone's going to hire temporary workers and restore the old windmill.
Oh, I love temporary work.
And in autumn, the caravans come. It's like a whole extra market for silver.
Ah, silver.
Then this winter, the pilgrims will be returning.
They're finally coming back to work.
Yes, and that's just this year. From now on, every year will be different.
Villagers is a card game in a small box that feels more like a big box Euro game. Each player recruits villagers and puts them to work competing to create the most prosperous village. We're now launching Villagers, Shifting Seasons, a collection of brand new modular expansions. Randomly selected events add more variety and enable new strategies. Teams can add an extra food or build icon if your village is falling behind. The clay suit features 80 new villagers. New special villagers offer up powerful abilities. And the monastery mode is a whole new way to play solo. Pledge now on Kickstarter to get shifting seasons and all previously released content for villagers. Plus, there's a free stretch goal pack for every backer, and we'll be offsetting our carbon in partnership with the amazing Tree Sisters. Thanks for watching!
Since the dawn of time, mankind has always dreamt of one invention. True Sidekick. Ladies and gentlemen, we're glad to present Alfred. Alfred.
Oh, my apologies. Where are my manners? Let me introduce you to Sidekicks Company.
Brilliant.
Humans are clumsy, emotional and extremely naive creatures, and that's why we exist. We're an elite army of well-trained AI assistants. We complete humans.
Isn't that amazing? Alfred will wake you up.
Rise and shine. Time to wake up.
Clean your house.
With a little help, of course.
Prepare your schedule based on your favorite life coach. Manage your social media.
What a wonderful thought, sir. Should I tweet about it?
He'll be your fashion stylist.
Alfred, show me some shoes I might like.
Here are the best-selling shoes that match your personality.
And he can answer all your important questions.
Alfred, how can you say pizza in Chinese?
Sir, pizza in Chinese is pizza.
Also, he's a great listener, thanks to his high EQ.
I heard a funny story the other day.
Really? I would love to hear it.
In fact, he's very helpful in autism, Alzheimer's, and curing loneliness. And kids just love him. He's the best virtual nanny ever, with full parental controls. He can also revolutionize their education by making it fun and exciting.
Alfred, how far away is Mars?
Today we're going to learn about Mars. Mars is our neighbor planet, and it gets really cold there.
Basically, your sidekick's job is to make you the coolest family in the neighborhood. This is Alfred's house, a beautifully designed holographic display. And this is his flying car, which kids will love. And this is his castle, for people who want more. You can even project him as big as you want. Each sidekick is customizable and learns from your habits and personality. Or you can create your own from scratch and learn all about AI. Sidekicks.ai are powered by the latest technologies in AI, invented by PhDs from reputable institutions. And a bunch of crazy chaps. Their goal is to make AI more human and breathe life into all the wonderful characters we grew up with. But Alfred needs your help to unleash this imaginative world and bring to life his new buddy, Rocket.
Hello everyone, I am Rocket.
If we have to live with AI, let's create an AI we would love to live with. Fund and share this campaign now and help us bring sidekicks to all the superheroes out there, like you. Oh, here's a last word from Alfred.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sidekicks Company begs you to help them in their struggle against the Empire. We have placed all the information vital to our survival into the page below. This is our most desperate hour. Help us, amazing backers. You're our only hope.
Sidekicks, the essential new member of every modern family. www.sidekicks.ai and @Sidekicks.ai on all social media.
Workshop tools are heavy,
Their cables get tangled, they're expensive and space consuming. It's time for a change. We present to you the 3Dissimo Multi-Pro. It's small, smart, efficient, and can replace as many as 7 types of electric tools. Thanks to its wide range of functions, it allows you to create whatever comes to your mind. 3Dissimo Multi-Pro is a mini workshop that fits in your palm, so you can carve out your own wooden bow tie or burn a pattern into your leather shoes. And that's just the beginning. Imagine all the things you can create or repair. The 3Dissimo Multi-Pro is here for all DIY modeling and 3D print enthusiasts with bold projects on their mind. Thanks to its low weight and ergonomic design, the 3Dissimo Multi-Pro can be used by children as well. What about creating a self-designed dress or jewelry? With 3Dissimo Multi-Pro's many extensions, you can engrave glass and jewelry and burn patterns into wood and leather. There is no limit to creativity except the size of your working table. Engrave glass, make a 3D drawing from any material, burn images into wood, solder electronics, create learning tools, repair, become an artist. Smooth out 3D prints, cut, drill, solder, screw, or manufacture your own functioning quadrocopter from scratch. All that with a single tool. 3Dissimo has been on the market for 6 years and sold more than 40,000 of our unique products. We develop and complete our products in the very heart of Europe to maintain their top quality and keep up with innovation. We have a worldwide patent on our 3Dissimo Multi-Pro. With respect to the needs of the DIY community, we decided to release the first open source multifunction tool ever, 3Dissimo Kit 2. All plastic parts are 3D printed and it takes less than 10 minutes to assemble the device. Thank you for your support. Let's create!
All tech all the time.